Hello little friends, welcome to my color word. Let's start with some colors because we are in my color word. Perfect. Here we have some colors. Pink, I love it. Red, light green, light brown, blue, yellow, violet, black and orange. Now let's count these markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here we have 9 markers, different colors. Now let's learn some letters. Letter A. A for apple, apple, letter A. And then capital A, and then here we have a small a. Capital A is green and small a is pink. Good job. A for apple, apple. And then letter B is violet color. B for ball, ball. Capital B, letter B. And a small b, B for baby, baby. Capital B is violet and the small b is yellow. Good job. Now let's write letter C. C is for car, car, capital C. And then let's write small c. Here we have red, capital C, and orange, small c. Perfect. Now let's write letter D with violet color. Letter D. Perfect. Capital D for dog, dog, D for daddy. And then here we have capital D. Perfect. Here we have violet color, violet, capital D, and red, small d. And then let's write letter E. E for elephant, elephant, pink color, capital E. And then let's write small e. E for egg, egg. Here we have capital pink letter E. And then yellow small e. Now let's write letter F. F for fairy, fairy, and then a small f is orange and capital F is brown. Good job. Now here we have A for apple, B for ball, C for candy, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish. Perfect. You did it great. And now, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Love you so much. See ya next video. Bye-bye.